It is October already, and we are already ready. So many
ready.
We're ready to introduce our October pattern, which is a bit of a change of scene from Viola last month. It was like vintage, proper. This is, I've already described her as someone else's sister, but maybe this is Viola's naughty sister.
Oh, naughty sister! I like that.
And we'd like to welcome Portia to the gang.
The Portia Dress.
So Portia is a jersey dress. She is incredibly quick to sew. She features, most importantly, this lovely twist in the centre, which is shown off beautifully on Lena's colour blocked version. And you can also make it in one colour as well. So for sleeves, you've got a dropped shoulder, and then sort of a fairly wide sleeve, not huge but nice and roomy, and then that's gathered into elastic just below the elbow there. And it also comes in two lengths, one just below the knee and one just above, for a bit of more of a party effect. And you've got the option to sew in a centre back seam for the colour blocked version, or not for the plain version as well. And yeah, the most exciting thing for me is that it's so quick to sew.
So quick.
It's like, once you cut it out, a couple of hours.
You're done. And it's quite straightfortide, quite easy, so it's definitely a confident beginner sewing pattern. It doesn't take too much fabric, which we also love.
Yes.
I think size 30 is about 3 meters, so that's the most you're going to need. And if you're doing a colour block version, you might even have 2 remnants, right? That's what I'm thinking. Like, have a look in your stash, because I adore the colour block version. It's so much fun. I think it's quite on trend. I know we don't do trends, but I've seen a lot of colour blocking around, and I'm excited to try it. I'm planning a version. Yeah, but it doesn't have to be colour blocked. You can use just one plain fabric, or not so plain fabric, like what Rose is wearing, which we're all obsessed with in the office. Please step into the sunshine so they can see the glow.
Over here, hopefully you can see.
Incredible.
It is not only sparkly, but it is a little bit see-through. But I'm wearing a slip under mine, so I will be completely honest, and when I ordered this fabric, I didn't know it was a see-through. We were like, oh, I'm ignoring over whether we could use it, but with a slip underneath,
completely fine,
absolutely fine.
And I love that you can see it see-through in the sleeves. I think that's so pretty. I mean, that's a party season Portia, 100%.
Yes.
And yeah, I just think it's, because how comfy would it be to wear that?
Oh my goodness, it's great. It's just like tripping on pyjamas.
There's room to eat, there's room to sit, you know, you're not uncomfortably, like you look really fun, but you don't have to like feel uncomfortable throughout the evening. I just think that's my favourite kind of party dress. So yeah, that's a mystery mix jersey. Yeah,
there's definitely quite a bit of polyester in this. It's not very natural, but
it'll keep you warm. It'll keep you warm
in winter.
And then we've got this version is a bamboo jersey, so it has a little bit more drape.
Yes, yeah, beautifully soft.
Very soft touch as well, yeah. A viscose jersey would work as well. And we had one version that Zoe, our model Zoe, wore, that's cotton jersey. So I think that makes it a little bit more casual, although you still feel very dressed up, I think. And also depending, I like with jersey, I like that you can wear it with trainers and it looks really
just changes it.
Yeah, really quite casual, and then you can accessorize it and put on a heel and you're ready for a party. But this design feature, I think it's what gives it the interest, and also it creates a really nice shape.
It's lovely, yes.
Really nice. The way that hits
is, it hits just under your bust, so it's not at the waist, so it's not
it's
sort
higher,
of
isn't it?
Super low, just under your bust, which does make it low cut.
Yes.
But there's nothing you couldn't do with a little hand stitch if you want a little bit more coverage. And also it's not got a huge amount of negative ease, so with jersey you've got the comfort of the stretch, and this is slim fitting, but it kind of skims your body. It's not as snug perhaps as Estelle is quite snug through the sort of hips and tummy area.
Yes.
This one drapes a little bit more, helped in part by the twist, and all the kind of the volume you get in this area here is very flattering. and
So
very
flattering.
comfy, like you say, after a nice big meal.
Nice big meal. I just love a dress that makes me feel like really nice and dressed up, but doesn't constrict everything about the experience of eating. So yeah, we've said it comes in 2 lengths.
Think so?
Yes, just above and just below the knee.
Yeah.
There's this lovely sleeve. We were wondering, we did an experiment, but if you want to try, like, you could just not add the main part of the sleeve and just have a little, almost like a cap sleeve, would you say? Or like a grown-on sleeve,
I
right?
think that looks quite nice.
I think that looks really nice for like spring and summer. Someone try that. There's nothing stopping you. And in the instruction booklet and the fabric requirements, we've put, so version 1 is colour blocked.
Yes.
And we've put the amount of fabric that you need for each fabric. So
yeah, so you don't have to work it out yourself.
That's nice. And then version 2 officially is all in one colour.
And we are going to have a bit of help, so we're going to have some help on Stitch School for how to sew the twist in place. It actually is deceptively simple, but if you just want an extra holding hand, that'll be on there.
It's the kind of thing that you might, it might help to have a
to
visual
visualise
rather than it's like a illustration.
Yes,
that's the word.
Absolutely, yes, yeah. And we've also included some fitting information in the instructions themselves, trying to add in some more fitting information for like key points on each pattern. I think fitting on this is probably this length here and making sure it sits right on your bust for you. So we've added a bit of information on how you might want to change that should you want to change the length of the neckline as well.
Yeah, and I guess in terms of length you could do any length really. We've given you 2 lengths, but you could lengthen it to maxi. Oh, can you imagine?
Yes.
I was even thinking maybe a top.
I think it'd be sweet
Wouldn't it
as
be
a top.
nice with jeans, like lengthen it to where you like to a top to hit, basically. But I think that could
be very
really
sweet.
pretty.
Yeah.
And even more casual, I guess. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like this one has a potential to have a lot of things done with it, and we can't wait to see them. So when you make your version, please share it. On Instagram, you can use hashtag SOI Portia Dress, and Portia is PORTIA. That's right, not like the car, but like the name. Yeah, hopefully you will have seen by now on our grid on Instagram we'll post lots of pictures. We'll be doing lots of content around Portia because we love her, and there'll be Pattern Insiders versions popping up as well, and we can't wait to see what you add to the Portia catalogue. We can't wait to see. I'm very, very curious to know which way people are leaning towards. So colour block or plain or sparkly.
That's the third secret option.
That's the secret option. That's the party season option. But yeah, because I'm obsessed with the colour block version. I have one in the works. So.
Okay, Team Sparkly, do this for me. Let's get some sparkly Portias out there.
I think, but that's the kind of dress that like you've got a Christmas party in 2 days, or tomorrow, and you can make it like
this evening.
This evening, still do it. You could absolutely. So yeah, we would love to see all sorts of Portias populating our grid. But yeah, go ahead and have a look on the product page for more pictures and let us know what you think, and we can't wait to see you make your version. Done. Bye.